Imagine yourself standing in the middle of a sun-scorched desert 40 years ago. A cloud of dust billows behind a slim, yet fearless machine. The Honda XL250, a true pioneer that brought real adventure to two wheels. Its lively 250 cubic centimeters heart-pumped pure freedom with every twist of the throttle. Before long, Honda raised the bar. Enter the XL500R, the R standing for rally, built to conquer the harshest terrain on Earth. Its two-valve engine roared with torque, turning steep climbs into pure adrenaline. Then came the XL600R, the big brother with a larger cylinder, tougher suspension, and a frame that seemed to whisper, "Take me anywhere." As the 90s rolled in, production slowed, but the legend never died, living on through custom paint jobs, rebuilt frames, and the stories of riders who refused to quit when the trail got rough. Fast forward to today. This is the all-new 2026 Honda XL600R, where classic Enduro soul collides with modern Scrambler style. A motorcycle that absolutely screams retro vibes and off-road spirit. At first glance, the dark red fuel tank with the classic Honda wing logo instantly takes you back to the golden era of dirt bikes, the XL heyday of the 1980s. Interestingly, the headlight on this concept is borrowed from the XL500R. On top of the rear fender, there's a small round tail light. The front fender feels perfectly proportioned. At the same time, the underseat exhaust really grabs your attention. The fuel tank has a slightly curved shape, adding to its character. Another detail is the wide handlebar, designed for improved comfort. The radiator guard looks clean and sturdy enough to do its job well. And check out the tires, thick, aggressive dual-purpose rubber wrapped around classic spoked wheels. This perfect combination of all-terrain tires and a solid, classic swing arm is ready to carry riders across any landscape. Up front, it's equipped with telescopic suspension, while the rear features a single Pro-Link shock. Sadly, this is yet another masterpiece from Contoros, just a concept. They even created 4 different livery options. If this ever became reality, which livery would you choose?